Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing some cleaning. We have plans this afternoon with friends and the kids are actually having a babysitter. We've never hired a babysitter that wasn't like my nephew. So we know this person. She was a teacher at Layton's old school. So like we know her and she's fantastic, but it's like, So I just want to clean the house and I have some things to do before we get done. Want to go out later anyway because I have a family brunch here tomorrow. So I made a little list. I want to, whoa, I fell over. I need to wipe down the bathrooms. I want to just like clean up the kitchen a little bit. I need to tidy the living room because I took all the kids' fall clothes down and my fall clothes to do like a fall wardrobe and to see what I had before I bought anything new. I have some plants that I have been propagating. If you saw a vlog, I called it procreating and my sister was making fun of me. But so I need to plant some plants. I got some planters and some dirt. I need to dust, vacuum, and wash the floors. So this is just a true clean with me. There's not really much I need to share with you. So you'll probably just listen to some good music while I clean. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you find it motivating, I would love for you to subscribe and let's get started.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I've said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see.
All right, so kitchen is looking good. That is done. I need to tidy the living room. I vacuumed the living room, I'm sorry, the dining room and the kitchen, and I planted the plants. So I still need to clean the living room. Let me show you the living room. I have my ring light on, but yep, it's so dark in my kitchen, but it's much lighter out here. I took down all the fall clothes like I was saying, so my big pile is right there, and I wash everything. This is stuff that I went through that is too small for the kids. Those need to get hung up in Leighton's closet. These are all washed because anytime I take them down from the attic, I like to wash everything. So these are already washed and folded. I just need to put them away. And this is my fall bin because I'm decorating for fall next week. So out here needs to just get done, but let me see, let me show you where I put the plants. I did the snake plant here. Didn't have a ton of roots, but I want it by the light. So hopefully it will do well there. So that little guy, he looks cute. And then I have this big, he's like growing so big, but I guess that's not a good thing when they grow like that. That's a succulent, and I guess that's not good, but he's reaching for the sun. My sister said when he gets big like that, so I put him here and hopefully he'll do better there. And then this little guy, I'm obsessed with this. Blame it all on my roots. It looks so cute. And then my big snake plant, this thing is doing so well. It's getting so big. I love it. The two on the fireplace are doing well too. But, and then this little guy next to the diffuser in the kitchen. So now I am going to work on the living room. I'm just gonna dust down the furniture real quick, take care of my clothes, like I said, hang up Leighton stuff, and move the fall bin to the garage because I'm not doing it today. And then tidy the bathrooms, and then I need to mop everything. The kids are all outside. Austin actually just left with a friend to go ride bikes around the neighborhood, so I'm gonna take advantage of the time, kid-free, when I can get this all done.
I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to.
Every single time. Like, how does the toothpaste get up here? I don't understand. Hopefully they have like Olympics for toothbrushing messes or something, because my kids would win gold medals.
Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that you left me. I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now.
All right, so I got everything done on my to-do list. I just need to put this basket of fall decor in the garage, but that is it. Everything is done. I love the weather today. It's like 70 degrees and sunny and beautiful. We have all the windows and doors open and all of that, getting some fresh air in. So I love to do that when I'm cleaning, no matter what the temperature is outside. Even if it's cold, I love to open a couple of the windows just to get some fresh air in. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you consider subscribing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't wanna be shy.